Hello guys, today is my first day of making a YouTube video. So I'm gonna teach you how to solve a speed cube. I mean, you can call it Rubik's cube too. Okay, now put your yellow middle on top and then put all of the white edges on the yellow edges like this. Let me show you. Like this. The corners doesn't matter, okay? Now, oh my days. There's green, right? Now attach it with the middle layer. And then do this up, right, up, double times. It doesn't matter. You can do clockwise or anti-clockwise. You keep aligning the middles with the edges and keep doing it until you have the, what's it called again? Yeah, cross. Okay, now our mission it's now you need to solve the, what's it called? All of the corners on the white cross first. Okay. Here is blue and orange with the white, right? Now align it with the middle. Okay? So you can see there is here it is right here. You do this up, right, down, left. Do that 4 times. And then you will get one corner. You keep doing that. Wait, but if there is this like that, you do the one that I taught you, up, right, down, left, only one time. Okay, if there the white is on the top, you can do it the one that I taught you 3 times. Now solve the white layer that I taught you and see, white layer done. Our mission is to solve the middle layer. I mean the double layer, the second layer. First, here is on the down there is a blue, and then up on the up there is what's it called, red. Now the down is blue, right? Attach it with the middle and do this with the right. Right, up, right, down, left. And then up with the left one, up, left, down. And then that is how you do it. Wait. See, you keep doing that. But if there's you need to do with the left hand, like this, if this happens. Okay, you do it, all of them. Do it. And then, one sec. And then you will have the middle layer. I mean the double layer. And if this only a dot in the yellow on the top, you do this clockwise. Up, right, down, left, and then anti-clockwise. And you'll make this, but use it with like this. Like that. You do up, clockwise, up, right, down, left, anti-clockwise. You'll make the white layer. One sec. I didn't taught you this one though. The horizontal line. It doesn't matter the corners, so you can do the one that I teach you with only the one dot. You can do like this. Clockwise, up, right, down, left, anti-clockwise, and you'll make it. Now, you need to align the corners like this. This is not aligned, right? You do this, right, up, left, left, up, right, down with the left, and left, and then down with the left. Yeah, and then keep doing that. There are 2 corners that are aligned. Now do it again on the opposite side of it. And then, one sec. And then it's done. Now make it opposite, like this. And then, oh my days. One sec. I need to pause. I need to pee. Okay, I'm done peeing. Now, there is this thing. And you do the up, right, down, left 3 times. And then you need to do this. This happens. And then do up, right, down, left 2 times. And then you're done. Now this will happen. If this happens, you do up, right, down, left, and then do with the left, left, up, left, left, down, right, and then do this with the right, right, up, down, left, and then do that with the left one, and then 1 layer will be solved. And then you do that again. And then if it doesn't solve, do that again. And it will eventually solve. Bye-bye. Hope you subscribe and like the video. Bye.